One of the top compact SUVs available in the US is the new Hyundai Tucson. It combines convenience and technology in an alluring package. Despite having been introduced in 2004, the Hyundai Tucson enters its fourth generation in 2022. For a car that was just released, the 2022 Hyundai Tucson has a significant number of issues. Despite being the first model of a completely new generation, the Korean SUV has already received 29 complaints about its most recent iteration, the majority of which are identical to those against its earlier versions. The most typical complaints of the current Hyundai Tucson are listed below. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Stalling of the vehicle. Both the current and previous Tucson SUV generations have been reported to unexpectedly stall in a number of incidents. The engine knocking sound is followed by the vehicle losing all of its propulsion, according to recordings made by buyers. The issue in the 2022 model year has not been connected to any specific cause, in contrast to the previous generation where a bent rod failure was thought to be the main cause. Corrosion of ABS modules. Hyundai Tucson buyers have reported corrosion of the ABS modules in the 2019, 2020 and 2021 model years, which can increase the risk of a fire. Hyundai Tucson ABS issues are known to the brand, but they are less likely to affect the 2022 model year. This is due to the fact that the Korean automaker has already issued a recall, which solves this problem. Failure of mechanical components. A few owners have complained about the SUV's erratic performance. The vehicle lost control as a result of the brake and accelerator pedals failing at the same time. One incident involved an SUV that crashed 3 different surfaces before coming to a stop. The airbag's deployment also resulted in injuries for the driver, while the vehicle was deemed as a total loss. Airbag system problems. The airbag system in Hyundai's SUV is another issue that frequently receives criticism. Injuries to the passengers have occurred as a result of the airbags failing to deploy. Malfunctioning forward collision avoidance system. The FCA system engages the automatic emergency braking feature even when there is no immediate danger of a collision, which causes the car to stop and raises the likelihood of an accident. Apple CarPlay problems. The CarPlay functionality has reportedly disconnected for buyers without any prior symptoms. As a result, users are unable to access crucial infotainment features like navigation, which lowers the setup's ergonomic value. Rearview camera. The complainants claimed that the camera's image was hazy and nearly impossible to understand in low light. Because of this, there is a higher chance of a collision because the driver is not aware of his surroundings. Recalls. Although the 2022 Hyundai Tucson problems may seem numerous, most of them are not very serious. So, the recall list for the SUV is not as extensive as its complaints. There are only 2 recalls including inoperable headlights and ABS unit may cause fire. Should you buy? Yes, with options like a hybrid powertrain, a plug-in hybrid setup, and a performance-focused N-line model. The SUV meets the needs of a wide range of buyers even though it positions itself as the ideal family hauler. Even in 2022, the Hyundai Tucson exudes a sense of security and dependability. It also has a fresh look thanks to its redesign.